Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful family tree using an easy method. First, gather essential information for at least 3 generations, including names, birth dates, and key relationships. Next, select a user-friendly online tool or a clear template to start building your tree. Finally, decide on a visual style, perhaps a classic tree or a modern fan chart, to best tell your family's unique story. This initial planning will make the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Once you have your basic structure, it is time to delve deeper into your family's history. Begin by interviewing older relatives. They often hold a treasure trove of stories and crucial details. Supplement these conversations by exploring readily available documents such as birth certificates, marriage licenses, and census records. Remember to organize all your collected data systematically. This careful approach ensures accuracy and prevents any confusion as your family tree grows, making the process much easier. Now for the creative part, designing your beautiful family tree. Choose a color scheme and font style that truly reflect your family's unique heritage and personality. Incorporate cherished photographs and meaningful anecdotes to bring each branch and leaf to life, adding a personal touch. You might also consider adding decorative elements, such as elegant borders or small, relevant illustrations. These thoughtful details will transform your tree into a captivating visual narrative, making it truly special. Finally, it is time to share your wonderful creation and ensure its longevity. Share your completed family tree with relatives to celebrate your shared history and strengthen family bonds. For preservation, consider printing your tree on high-quality archival paper or creating a secure digital backup. Remember to update your family tree regularly, perhaps once every 6 months, as new information or family members emerge. This ensures your beautiful family history remains accurate and complete for generations to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.